Hey, I want to talk to you today about this Duolink. Now, I am not a tech wizard or anything, but I do take a lot of pictures and a lot of videos, and I need to be able to get them from my phone to my desktop in order to do editing and use my pictures as I need it. So I tried to figure out how I was going to do that. And plus, I want to make sure that I save them because you just never know when something can go wrong with your phone and maybe you didn't download them in time. So I purchased this Duolink, and let me just show you a little bit about how it works. So first off, you download an app onto your phone, and then you take this end and you plug it in to your phone. Move your pictures. You're going to open that app on your phone, and you're going to go to transfer media. You can choose between your photos, videos, music, or documents. So I'm going to choose photos. So now on your photos, you can see a list of all your photos. And if you want to pull all of them off, there is a button that says multi-select. So you want to make sure you hit the multi-select, pick all your photos, and then you're going to transfer them over, and it's going to ask you which file. So you can make separate files for each, say, event or each adventure that you have. Once you get to wherever your other laptop or your desktop is, you're going to plug in this section. And then once you plug this in, it's going to bring it up, and you're going to see a Duolink file. And in that file are going to be your sub-files of whatever adventures you made when you were creating them on your phone. You'll go into that file, and you'll find your photos that you are looking for that you can utilize now on your desktop or laptop, and they'll be safe in here. Now you can clean this off if you want and secure that file onto your desktop or laptop or whatever you have, and then keep this kind of empty. That way you can continue to fill it and you never have to worry about it getting completely full. That I've been able to get my information quickly to my laptop. It's been working well for me, and that is just my honest opinion.